How to fix your microphone picking up all PC sounds. So if you can hear sounds from your desktop and other audio through your microphone, I'll show you a couple of ways to fix this. First, open up the Start menu on your computer. Search for Sound Settings and open this window. Now, next to Output, make sure you have the correct speaker selected. This is where you want the sound to be playing from. Next, scroll down to Input and make sure you have the correct microphone selected. Now, scroll all the way down to More Sound Settings. Click on the Recording tab, then scroll down and make sure you have the correct microphone set as the default device. So, if you haven't already done this, click on your microphone and press Set Default. You can then right-click on your microphone and select Properties. Now, click on the Listen tab and make sure Listen to this device is turned off. You can then go to Advanced, where it says Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Turn this option off. And also make sure Audio Enhancements is turned off as well. Once you've done this, press Apply and then OK. The next time you use your microphone, it should now block out the sounds from your PC.